Second for a minute. Yeah, just like that. My eyes. Well, the glasses could fit you.
No, don't do that. You'll break them.
Whoa.
You should give them back to Sissy. She said please.
Let's hold one. You hold one.
No, you'll break them that way.
No, you hold one like this, so we can see together. I'll shoot one over here. Hold the other one.
Come on, jump up. Come on. Come on. Good boy. Caught on camera. He can jump on the bed. Even though he never does because he's a lazy butt.
Yeah.